What's up everybody, it's Marcus from Mr.Detail and CeramicProCle, bringing you this 2016 Cadillac XTS. Customer had last few years out in the weather, winter, improper car washing, marred and scratched the paint. We did a Concourse correction on it. We're talking 3 steps. Had bad salt stains on the interior. A lot of yellowing on the rims, so we had to polish those and treat those as well. So check it out. We put this little clip together to show you how much value we can add to your vehicle. If you want to book this service, you can do that through this comment. Really easy. Call the shop. We make it very, very easy. And make sure you like this video.
Surface, defects removed, see tons of defecting here. These are improper car wash techniques. Anytime you have the horizontal lines here, that's from brushes back and forth. So we want to remove all these clear coat scratches and we leave a beautiful paint finish. You see the metallic come through and then you see no color saturation, no metallic really popping, and we really brighten the clear coat. So it's like cleaning your glasses. Like if you have foggy, scratched up glasses, it's hard to see. It's exactly what the paint work does, the clear coat over top. When it's marred and scratched up like this, you're going to see a foggy paint color, and then you're going to get a nice clear, beautiful shine when it's properly cleaned and corrected.
Thanks for watching that Concourse detail. Make sure you comment, subscribe. We want to hear different feedback, what you guys want to see next. Any other products that we've been used are going to be in links below, so check those out for sure if you want to get your whip looking just as good as the professionals. Now check out the after photos.